How many
Selective
times he
backlash,
has been
selective,
interrogated? Answer my question.
selective probe.
Nabila, I think Mr. Shantanu Sen doesn't know that Mr. Hemant Biswa Sharma has been accused from all of the allegation from Supreme Court. But I'm coming to my state. The problem is, Mr. Sen has forgotten now his colleague, once Rajya Sabha MP Kunal Ghosh statement about Rajiv Kumar and others. What Kunal Ghosh every day used to shout on the court in the name of Mamta Banerjee and other officers, that they are involved in the case. Now he become the spokesperson of TMC. Now he is defending the Sarda accused in media every day. So the thing is, people can understand.
See, possible, Mr. Sikdar, that this is that the CBI is doing its job, but the timing is the question, right? And everyone can see it. It's just election period. You have heated campaigning from BJP leaders in West Bengal. Right at that time, the CBI pushes for Rajiv Kumar's arrest. The timing is a question, undoubtedly. Mr. Sikdar.
Yes. See, CBI is an independent agency, and what time they will move, that you and me can't decide. But yes, for this corona and this pandemic, Supreme Court was also closed for a long time. They are nowadays also taking very few cases. So I really don't have any idea why CBI moved now. But the thing is,
CBI is an independent body. What's your take on that?
Time to prove himself innocent.
Go on, Mr. Sen. Mr. Sen, we can hear you. Go on. You were raising your hand. Here, Mr. Sikdar says CBI is an independent body. We can't dictate to them when and how to investigate. This is as per their protocol.
The issue is, my learned colleague is unfortunately digging his own pond. He was talking about one person who is the spokesperson of Trinamool Congress. We simply recall those days when health minister of one particular state of India, who used to be in charge of Bharatiya Janata Party that time, he used to word, quote unquote, he used to say, Bhag X, Mr. X, Bhag. And that very Mr. X has been made senior vice president when he joined his party. Few days back, another person who was being accused by Bharatiya Janata Party, he has been received with warm hearts. This is the real scenario of the biggest washing machine of the world, Bharatiya Janata Party. When they are in a mood to accuse others, when they are in a mood to put charge against certain persons, certain leaders, when they are entering in their party, they are welcoming and they are putting them in the washing machine and they are getting clean sheet. That is the only issue with Bharatiya Janata Party. And so far the election is knocking the door. I am sure they will be leaving no stone unturned in using all agencies that are existing in India currently.
Well, here we're looking at Rajiv Kumar, who has been in the glare of the CBI for quite a while. It's not like he's been suddenly implicated. The case has been going on 22 months. There's been a bitter standoff on that. Mr. Sen, don't you think it's about right that the CBI takes up this case? An arrest is a question. Of course, the CBI will give out its order on that. But the fact that the CBI is investigating it and pulling up Rajiv to further investigate and understand the nexus in the Sarda scam, it's not wrong, to say the least.
First of all, CBI has lost its credibility before the eyes of people of India. And secondly, my question is, what CBI was doing in last 6 years? How many political leaders of other parties other than Trinamool have been interrogated? What has been done against them? What has been done against those who have left Trinamool but who were accused at that particular time? Why they are not getting interrogated? What has been done during this entire period of 6 years by this caged parrot?
Mr. Sikdar, Saurabh Sikdar, it appears quite evidently that the target is usually the opposition.
No, not exactly. Mr. Shantanu Seth should remember other left and other leaders also been called by CBI, summoned by CBI, interrogated by CBI. The thing is, problem is, none of BJP
We've
leaders
seldom
or
heard of a BJP leader being interrogated,
any big
seldom
name
heard of
was
any party
involved
supporter
with
being.
this name, because we are a party of difference. Now Shantanu Sen is saying, is trying to just portray CBI as a BJP's machine. So that is not acceptable. People know that, because lots of MPs of Congress has been arrested, and arrested they got bail after months, because they have some proof against them. So
Sikdar,
now
what here
can
is quite
understand
evident
that
or noticeable. What's quite noticeable is that any word against
Just tell me
the
few names
center.
of BJP leaders who got imprisoned. Just tell me name of few BJP leaders like our Sudip Bandyopadhyay, Madan Mitra, who got imprisoned by